everything. God gave me sparkles, so I use it. So use what God has given you and watch the world around you change. If you want to change, listen, hear what I'm saying? I'm coming, and I told y'all I was just going to pray. But listen what I'm saying. The thing that you are most uncomfortable with is the thing that is going to change your life. The thing that you're most uncomfortable with is the thing that is going to change your life. And not only is it going to change your life, it's going to change somebody else's life. Stop thinking that you're stuck because you're really not stuck. As a believer, we understand we're not stuck because the greater one lives on the inside. If you don't like your life, you have the ability to change it, but you've got to do the hard work. You've got to fight, and sometimes you're in the ring by yourself, fighting yourself. And when you knock down the old man and the doubts and the disbelief and all that, then you can, the new man will stand up and say, we got this now, what we doing? So what you gonna do? Look at your girl next to you. Say, what you doing? What you doing? Ask them, what you gonna do? What are you going to do? What are you gonna do? We breaking conference junkies, and we're gonna apply what we have gotten, and there's an expectation of fruit. And so I'm just excited. I had no idea. I thought I was just coming to